Right out of university, I had one of my worst experiences professionally that I had had in my entire career. Now, I want to share it with you today because what I learned from it was just instrumental. So I was hired to write a grant. I was hired for a nonprofit health organization, and I was good at writing, and they said, "Hey, Sarah, can you help us write this grant?" So this grant should have taken 3 months. It was worth millions of dollars, and it was one of the most competitive ones in the country. And I started a week prior, and I put myself through hell. I pulled many all-nighters that week. I also put my boss through hell. I worked for two family physicians who wanted the funding to do their health research, which would have really contributed to their careers. Now, I felt horrible for this. I dropped the ball. They met with me after the grant. We didn't win, by the way, and they said, I know they wanted to fire me. They told me how horrible the experience was and how I didn't do a good job. And so here's the thing. At that moment, they demoted me, obviously, and I decided, hey, I could give up or I could learn from this. I decided to continue at it. I mean, what other choice did I have at that time? I learned from it, and then subsequently, I became known as one of the best grant writers. So I was hired by another research institute after that, and they said, hey, can you help me grant write? I was then known, and I went on to win many grants that I wrote, and I was also known as the person that was super duper prepared, all that kind of stuff. So I was kind of known for it. I was like, well, I learned the hard way. So you can take those experiences in life and decide to learn or give up.